I love a good recession. Now that's a bold statement for most people to make. And of course, I feel for the people who do it tough. At the same time, it's a huge opportunity for us to make incredible amounts of wealth. Why? Because so many people don't have the right mindset and strength to deal with a recession, which is why in this video, I'm gonna share with you some unique perspectives, ideas, and strategies on how you can create real wealth during a recession. And it will be easier than ever before. So if you love making money and wanna build real wealth, hit that like button and let's get down to business. And by the way, for those of you who do hit that like button, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Of course, first up, I have to make a disclaimer. You can make a lot of money, but not by just watching YouTube videos like this. So don't be that person who just watches this video and does nothing with the information. I urge you to research how to buy an online business so you can replace your income and earn a passive income online. Now, this is no joke, and people are doing this every single day. I help people do it, but only the people who actively want a better life. So make sure you check out more videos. So firstly, people freak out during a recession and hold on to their cash, which means there are less people actually investing, which is awesome, right? But also, because people value cash so highly, many businesses sell and cash out, meaning there are more great online businesses for sale. Secondly, these aren't just any businesses. You can buy quality and stable businesses that have not been affected by the recession for a cheaper price. And like I said earlier, there are less people investing. So you have less competition trying to buy these great, established, profitable online businesses as well. Thirdly, because everyone is afraid and wants to hold on to their cash, this means nobody's spending money on ads or on SEO or on content creation, and they're not really growing their businesses at all, which means because there aren't many people paying for services like SEO management and content creation, these services become cheaper, which also means you can grow your business a lot cheaper in a recession. To add to that, your competitors doing nothing, right? So you're excelling past them, but cheaper and on an easier landscape because they're doing nothing in their business because they're worried that they don't want to spend too much cash. They want to hold on to it just in case things are going to get worse. But during a recession, things are usually at the bottom. And we see after a recession, things prosper so much. And this is where the real wealth is built. This is where people buy a lot of property, physical property and digital property like these established online businesses. So there is a lot of money to be made from buying great, established, profitable online businesses during these tough times. But of course, you are smart. You don't want to take risks still, right? You need to know what the right type of online business is for you to buy and actually how to buy it. To do that, get my due diligence framework, which is what I use and all my clients have used to make millions of dollars and save millions of dollars from buying established and profitable online businesses. You can get it by clicking the link in the description. It takes the guesswork out of buying online businesses. Or watch my completely free 5-part YouTube video playlist right here on YouTube on how I made my first $100,000 from buying passive income websites, and you can check out that playlist here.